Hi, my name's Spike.
Hi, I'm Sprite.
Our very first video, we're being a whole bunch of artards. Yeah, I say artards because South Park is legit. Too legit to wit. Yeah. Okay. Like a total chick. I'm actually gonna tell you guys a little bit about myself. My real name is Shyla, and her real name is Brittany. We're twins. Well, at least that's what people think, because like we have the same calic and we part our hair the same way. We have the same smile. We have the same kind of teeth, like same skin tone, and we have goofy eyebrows, I guess. You got a text, Brittany.
Oh, it's from Jake. Oh, okay. It says, "Who the F is Spike?" Oh, okay. My minion. No, my.
Omar's my minion.
Yeah.
Sorry, we're talking
I'm
about
Alyssa's sidekick. Let's see. Who are you? My twin. Okay. He's me like, what? You don't have a twin?
Be like, yeah, huh? You want to see her? Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. How do you do the eyebrow thingy? It's not working.
You're weird. You're jinxing me.
What are you guys doing?
Any video? Yeah. But my brother just said, "What are you guys doing?" You're being weird.
Yep, that's Justin. Hi.
Oh, you need to stop making videos on the computer.
Why?
You're being stupid.
I'm stupid. Yeah. I'm stupid. Oh, by the way, I'm a cheerleader.
Yeah.
Oh, got
so am I.
text. Wait, hold on, just 1 second. I need to take this phone call.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi.
Hello? Yeah? My daddy said no. He said that he doesn't want two people to stay over at the same time. Because it causes problems. And he's not going to be here, and neither is my big brother. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, maybe. Okay, bye. I put my hair back and forth. Sorry. I was sort of on a phone call. Oh, I got a text. Hold on. Oh, hold on, Mom. Hold on.
Just got a text.
Daddy.
Grandma.
We say Daddy, and she holds me. Well, actually, I jump up and I said Daddy, and then she says,
Grandma, I love cookies.
no, I go, I love cookies. Sorry. This is a really weird YouTube video. Let's get to the point. We're going to sing Airplanes. We'll dance and, like, be awesome.
You like that much?
Airplanes by B.O.B., a.k.a. Bob.
Oh, it's so weird.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. I can use a dream or a dream or a wish. I look bad.
Oh, dude, I know you too.
Comment, subscribe, and don't be mean. Yeah, we're just little girls. We don't know what we're doing. Cough. Just kidding. We're teeny. We're 15. Yeah. We're so cool.
We smoke not and do drugs. No, we don't.
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Justin's yelling at her.
What? Well, I did turn it down. No!
Big brothers. Don't you love them?
No.
Yeah, I don't either. I don't know. Yeah, I only have one.
I have two. But Tim's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, my adventure is weird. It's like, it's all about
Mine's way too itchy.
When you. Let me guess.
That's mine.
Okay, for the push it thing, go over there and show me.
I can't do the push it thing.
Just let's say the push it thing.
The push it.
Yeah. Do it.
I could go like this. Push it.
Here, come do this for me. Hold it. Okay.
Ready?
Okay. And move this chair. I have some.
Okay.
Okay. She goes like this. She's scared to do that. She kind of wants to go like, let's go like this. I'm short.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, ready? Let's see if I can do my scorpion. These skinny jeans. I don't think so. Not very well.
I ripped a hole in these and I don't even know how.
Vagina?
Right there.
Brittany, it's okay. I have a whole bunch of those. Well, TTYL, we're gonna leave. And
See ya.
this, and then again, this was the Spike
And Sprite.
show.
Yeah.
La 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 la. Sprite and Spike.